See, one of the reasons you're going to need more money in your old age and through your pension is because of flights. If you think about it, why would you want a bigger pension? Well, because of flights. So rather than only focusing on saving more money, starting earlier, getting better investment returns, all of those things are important, particularly the last one, getting better investment returns. What about looking at reducing the cost of flights? In your old age, you'll probably want to fly business class, or at least need to. So I think it's worthwhile investing time in working out how to maximize points. Okay, and I said to my wife, I said, look, build our pension. Of course, we do all of that and got ample capital. But even the wealthiest people I knew focused on, and I'm talking billionaires now, focused on Airmiles, just building them up through either various credit cards, whether it's things like Virgin's card or British Airways, American Express one, and subscriptions to British Airways, Airmiles programs, all of this kind of stuff. Basically, the rule of thumb that I use is if you're paying 1 pence or 1 cent per point, then that's good value. Anything more than that usually isn't. And now, a lot of these airlines will allow you to buy bulk. I mean, sometimes it's expensive. You're spending £5,000-10,000 in order to buy points in bulk to get it down to that amount. However, those points can last for an awfully long time, and when those special offers come along, you're buying them at 1 penny per point, and eventually that'll mean you'll be able to get a lot of business class flights. Of course, I know there's blackout periods and all the rest of it. Look, when you're retired, find the right places which you can get return tickets from, and don't forget companion vouchers and all the rest of it. Anyway, I'd rather be doing that than just spending cold hard cash and paying full commercial rates, short of the private jet, of course. But yeah, it's worth investigating and looking into in more detail. I've got a whole range of British Airways, American Express ones, particularly the business cards. And I put company expenses through the corporate business cards, perfectly legitimate. Also have the business Airmile account, which is for British Airways, it's on business. It's a bit rubbish because their website's rubbish. But usually these airlines have corporate accounts, so you double dip, you get twice as many points. Anyway, worth looking at, as I say, because it will allow you to make that pension money go further. By the way, if you've got the Marriott Bonvoy card, and none of this is an advert for any of these providers, then you can get some of their top tier 5-star hotels without paying anything for them either.